Yeah, hi. We're from svsembedded. The project title name is IoT based school bus monitoring system and telegram photo alert. School bus or college bus, anything, okay, you can use. So 9 volts adapter power source, it convert to 5 volts pure DC output and it gives to 80 mega 2x60 board. So GSM SIM 800C connected with RX TX serial communication 1, GPS module connected to the serial communication 3, and EM18 RFID module, total 5 students. So we need to scan the RFID tag to the RFID reader module connected to the serial communication 2. GPS location, we are taking the satellite location, it is sending the data to server as well as SMS alert. One switch button 1, switch button 2, arriving switch and trouble switch button. If bus is trouble, it need to press the switch button like this. 16 cross to LC display connected with RS enabled D4 D5 D6 D7 2 3 4 5 6 7, and one ESP32 camera module to send the photo alert to the parents mobile number. So total, this is a block diagram of the project. So we are using total 5 RFID cards. So RFID reader module, EM18 RFID reader module connected. So here IoT web page, student name, so date and time, in status, out status, we are monitoring. Go to main screen, we can record the data, and bus location, it will show you the bus location. Otherwise we will get the SMS alert also. So Surender, so we are all getting the SMS alert and login details, everything we will get. Okay, so mobile data on, hotspot out should be on for the ESP32 camera module. So mobile data hotspot. Okay, so the username is project, password is project1234, all are small letters, project 1234. So let us coming into the hardware module. 0 to 9 volts adapter power source we are using, and it is connected to the bridge rectifier, filter capacitor, 780 regulator and LED. So one for some 16 cross to LCD display and EM18 RFID module and GPS module, and this module power supply for the camera module only. Adreno Uno R3, Adreno Mega 2x60 board we are using, and GPS antenna, EM18 RFID module, one arriving switch button and a trouble switch button, bus arriving, and there are two LEDs, one for status LED, if a card scan, green color LED should be on. 16 cross to LCD display, character LCD display, whatever the process is going on, that should be displayed on the LCD. So here we are using GSM SIM 800C. So press it, it will come outside SIM card. So here we are using Idea, Airtel, Vodafone, BSNL, 2G, 3G, 4G SIM card, SMS balance, main balance, internet balance. So cut should be always outside, flat should be goes to inside, cut should be always outside, press it, it will go inside. So smart college bus, IoT based college bus monitoring system. So once ESP32 module connected, it will show you the device name. Hotspot should be on, mobile data on, it will show you the device name here. ESP32 camera module, GSM testing, yeah, ESP32 cam module connected. So finding network found, GPRS main, GPRS enabled. Okay, we will go step by step process. Okay, so this is first power supply board, GPRS modem, Adreno Mega 2x60, 16 cross to LCD display, GPS antenna, LED should be on and off, EM18 RFID module, college bus. First we need to press the arriving button, this button. Okay, so bus is arriving, please be ready, latitude value, longitude value, bus exact location, through this GPS location it is sending, and here I am added my mobile number for SMS alert purpose. It will send the latitude longitude value, please be ready, bus is arriving. Okay, Ramesh, be ready, bus is coming, latitude value, longitude value, press this, it will show you the Google map. Second SMS sending, yeah, svsembedded. Okay, second message send, Suresh, be ready. So there are Suresh, Ramesh, Surender, Prakash and Ashok. There are 5 RFID cards. So 5 SMS alerts, Ramesh, Suresh, And here also we will see the data onto the Chrome. Go back, so project. Okay, so here also Surender, Suresh, Ashok, Prakash, Ramesh, Suresh, Prakash, Surender. Okay, so 5 RFID cards, 5 outputs. Ramesh, Suresh, Prakash, Surender, and then Ashok. Fifth message is Ashok. Okay, so it will sending the all student mobile. Bus is arriving. Bus is this location. So now it should be in the stationary position. Okay, so one switch button, it will send all the messages. Another switch button purpose is bus is trouble at this location. It is sending to management to the authority person. It will sending SMS, send SMS, message sending to the authority person. Bus is trouble this location to the authority person. So here also I added mobile number, bus is trouble, location map. Click this link to see the location of the vehicle. Okay, SVS embedded. Now each and every person in and out status. So now I am going for the Ashok. Okay, Ashok card scan. Okay, Ashok in-net bus. So it is taking the photo. Okay, sending SMS, message sent, send to server, action completed. Okay, now I am getting the photo alerts. Okay, now I am going for the Prakash in-net bus, sending SMS, green color LED on, Telegram photo alert. Okay, now it will send the SMS photo alert message, send to server. Okay, so longer distance and it taken like this. Okay, send completed. So Ashok Prakash completed. Go to Surender. Okay, green color LED on, go to server, photo alert came. Okay, it is asking the login. IoT bus, IoT bus 456. Okay, yeah, first Ashok Prakash Surender. Okay, photo alert is also coming properly. Okay, so now I am going for the Suresh in-net bus, sending SMS, and I am getting the SMS alert also. Suresh in-net S, Surender in-net S, Prakash in-net bus, and Ashok also in-net bus. Okay, and photo alert also coming. Okay, Ramesh. Okay, in-net bus. Okay, all cards scanned successfully. So we are getting the alert messages, and as well as it is updating the data in status. Okay, and photo alert also coming continuously. Okay, now I am going for the out message. So these cards are scanned now. Out message, Ashok outed bus. Okay, sending SMS, message sent, camera is taking the photo alert, sending SMS, message sent. Okay, Ashok outed bus, pay your college school bus fee. Okay, camera photo alert also came. Okay, Ashok completed. Now I am going for the Prakash also completed. Okay, go to SMS alert, go to web page. So BBA So Ashok is a photo alert also came. Telegram photo alert came. Okay, green LED. Telegram photo alert. SMS alert. Okay, Prakash outed bus. Location, latitude value, longitude value. Okay, Prakash also pharmacy outed bus, date and time. Okay, now I am going for the Surender. So green LED should be on. It is taking the photo alert. Okay. Okay. So now it is sending the photo alert. Pharmacy. Go to SMS alert. Surender outed bus. Photo alert also came. Okay. Now Suresh outed bus. Suresh outed bus. Sending SMS. Photo alert also coming. Okay. Message alert. Suresh outed bus. Latitude point, longitude point. Press this location and it is updating the data onto the server. Okay. Suresh BBA. So out. Okay. Yeah, out also came. Suresh out. Okay, all four out. Photo alert. Okay. Web link success. Every time it will update the data onto the Google Map location to the server. School, college bus monitoring. Okay. Last card. Ramesh is also outed bus. Okay. Power supply board. Adreno Mega 2560 board. GPS module and GPS antenna. EM18 RFID module. And this is arriving switch button and this is trouble push button and one green color LED and one red LED. ESP32 camera module to send the photo alert to the Telegram app and GSM SIM 800C. We are enabling the internet onto this SIM card, SMS alert and as well as SMS alert and sending the data to server. So every time it is updating the data continuously. Okay. So everything is completed. Updating also completed. And this is our block diagram of the project.